Hey, it's Jessica, and I wanted to come and do a quick video to show you guys how you can travel on an airplane and still do your diamond painting. Now, about a week ago, I traveled from Florida to Arizona on the airplane, had a family engagement for the weekend, and I'm always going to take my diamond painting with me. So, what I did is I took a small project that would be easy to travel with and not like a big canvas like this. And this is actually what I took. I had these greeting cards, and they come in a pack of 6. And when I left on the Friday that I left, I was just getting started with the first one, and I was gone for like 3 days, and I was able to complete 2.5, so fully two, and was working on the third by the time I got back. Um, so like these three, one, one, two, three, and in a small Ziploc uh, compartment, I had my um, greeting cards, and I also had my wonderful containers that I use every day. But what I did before I left is all of these greeting cards, they only use 8 different special drills. So I carried 8 different uh, of these containers that I already had put one per different drill in them. And then I had my refillable pen. And then, just in case I needed it, I brought my electric um, pen as well. I don't believe I brought my multi-placer. I think I left that at home and I left my putty at home. I was trying to travel as light as humanly possible. And so what I would do is I carried the little satchel with everything in it in my purse, so that I'd have it with me on the plane and in the airport when I had a layover. And as soon as I was able to bring out the tray table, and I would start working on it. Now, I would only use one color at a time, so to minimize and to avoid spilling anything anywhere. And because these close up airtight, I would open it up just long enough to get what I needed and then close it up, which was, yeah, a little time consuming, but I'd rather do that than have it spill all over the plane or all over the airport. And that's how I did it. It worked out really well. I was also able to show my family in Arizona what I had been up to, passed out some business cards, even got one of my first orders in from my cousin. And so it is possible to travel and diamond paint on an airplane in the airport um, all together. So I hope this has been helpful. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and remember, hit all the subscription, the like, and the notification button, and be good to yourself, be good to each other. Pay it forward if you can. Why? Because paying it forward is great. I'm gonna get back to this large canvas. See you next time.